What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going over another routine of the week and we're going to be focusing on an unbroken bar routine today with endurance pull-ups, muscle-ups, and front lever raises. So the purpose of this routine is to help us with our transition, especially the wrist, and also controlling our momentum between movement to movement. So before we get started in this routine, I highly recommend a warm-up. We're going to want to warm up the shoulders, doing stuff like shoulder dislocates, lateral raises, potentially straight arm raises as well too, especially for the front lever. We might want to get into the wrists a little bit, so wrist flexors, wrist extensors, just making sure everything feels good. I always recommend hanging from the bar before you start any type of bar routine, doing a few scap raises, maybe even a test pull-up or two, just to make sure that everything's feeling good before we hit the full routine. So with all that said, we're going to want to focus on trying to get 4 sets complete today in 15 minutes. I know that's a hectic time frame. Some people will plow through it, others might have to only do 1 set or 2 sets in this time. You can scale it up or down based on your calisthenics level, but let's have fun with it and get some endurance. Let's get it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching today. If you like this content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. More content coming to you. We'll see you next time. Let's go. Woo.